Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you just bought a new vehicle and you're not sure what the Apple CarPlay is about and you're not sure which apps to use, I'm going to quickly go over 5 must-use apps that you're going to use with your Apple CarPlay to give you a better driving experience. Now, if you're having trouble syncing your Apple CarPlay or setting up your Apple CarPlay, we have a full tutorial how to set up your Apple CarPlay or how to connect if you're having trouble connecting. I'll link those in the description below and jump to those videos if you're having trouble connecting. But I've already connected my iPhone to the Apple CarPlay. Let's show you the 5 apps that you're gonna be using every single day. So the first app that you're gonna be using pretty much on a daily basis, especially if your car doesn't come with a built-in navigation system, is your Apple Maps or your Google Maps. Now, I like Google Maps. I just find Google Maps just a little bit better than the Apple Maps. It's our main mapping system. And here you can see, once I open it up, it pops in and it shows my nice big large map. I can move around here and recenter. And if I can search addresses here pretty easily, either using the voice commands or using the search buttons here. I can also just do a quick Google search. Let's say I want to go to the CN Tower. I can punch it in and here it's going to show my whole route, and I hit start and it's going to start navigating. The advantage of Google Maps, it does show Google updates and traffic updates right on the screen, so it's nice and easy to navigate the Google Maps. So Google Maps is going to be like your main one that you're going to use. Now, if you're not a fan of Google Maps, the second app that I would recommend you're going to use is Waze, which is a really easy mapping system here. The advantage of Waze, it shows things like traffic updates. So you just need to open it on your phone. I'm going to hit allow and it's going to use it right on the phone here. The other app that I always use is for my music, and that's going to be Spotify. So here's our Spotify. It's going to load up. You can see all my recent listenings. You can see my library here, and I can go through all my recently played songs, podcasts, different playlists that I have. Obviously, you guys know what Spotify is about. You can play your different podcasts. You know, you got your Joe Rogan podcast, and it's going to easily play right on the screen here. The next app that I like to use is also related to audio, and that's going to be Audible. So that's for any audio books. If you guys are big into books, we're not logged in here, but you can go through all the different books and you can show your recent books right on the screen here. So it will play your audiobooks for you live through your car speakers, so you don't have to worry about touching your phone. So if you have an electric vehicle and you're not sure where you can charge it, I like using what's called this Flow app here in Canada. In the States, it's called PlugShare. So if you're in the need to charge your car and you're looking for a fast charging station, you can just click the Flow app there, and here you can see it shows our closest charging stations. So our first one nearby is going to be a level 2 charging station, and I can select that station and it will automatically take me there, and I can pick which navigation system that I want to use, and here we go. It's going to show me the driving directions right on my screen and take me right to that charging station. So great if you're in a pinch with your electric car. Now, if you're a person that receives a lot of text messaging, you might want to use the Messages app. This comes right on your Google. Here I can see all my messages, and you can...
Someone with a 289 area code said, "Hey Christopher, your appointment with Cassandra Leslie is in 1 hour. Be prepared to take notes, and happy selling."
So there you go. That's my digital secretary there. They'll read off your text messages back to you, and then you can use Siri to dictate what you want to reply back. So it's very easy. If you do a lot of texting on the road, you can go right to the Messages app. Last one here is going to be Sirius XM. So if you have a subscription to Sirius XM, you can play your satellite radio through Apple CarPlay, and you can do there's over like 300 stations, no matter what you like listening to. I like the stand-up comedy. I like the classic rewind stations. You can do that all through the Apple CarPlay if your car doesn't come equipped with Sirius XM. So there you have it, guys. Were there apps that I missed or that you use daily? Put them in the comment section below, and other viewers might want to use those apps. Subscribe for more Android Auto and Apple CarPlay content, and we'll see you in the next video. Boom diggity. All right, Gucci.